Good morning, students. Today we will continue chapter 10, that is our forest wealth. In that chapter, today we are going to study the types of forest. As I told you in the previous class, in India we have many types of forest. We have evergreen forest, deciduous forest, mountain forest, thorn forest and tidal forest. The first forest that we are going to study is evergreen forest. We can call evergreen forest tropical rainforest. And in that forest we can find ebony, mahogany and rosewood. These are the varieties of trees that we can find in these forests. And where they are found? They are found in the hot and wet regions. We can find these forests on the slopes of Western Ghat, Northeast India, Andaman and Nicobar Island. And what are the main features of the trees that are found here? The trees do not shed their leaves. As the name suggests, here the trees remains green throughout the year. They remain green throughout the year. That means पूरे साल यहाँ के trees green रहते हैं और वे अपनी leaves को नहीं गिराते. The trees do not shed their leaves. And they are found, where they are found? They are found in the hot and wet regions. The next forest that we are going to study is deciduous forest. We can call deciduous forest the monsoon forest. And in monsoon forest, we can find teak, sal, sandalwood, shisham, maua, simul and bamboos. These are the few varieties of trees that we can find here. And we can find these trees on the foothill of Himalayas, Sahyadris and Southern Plateau. Southern Plateau means northeastern part of Indian Peninsula. Northeastern part of Indian Peninsula means Southern Plateau. Here the trees shed their leaves in the dry season. The next forest that we are going to study is the thorn forest. And in thorn forest we can find babool, kikar and thorny shrubs. And where these forests are found? These forests are found in the hot and dry area in Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana. What are the main features of these trees? These trees have long roots, thick barks, sharp thorns and small leaves. They can survive without water for long periods. The next forest is mountain forest. We can call mountain forest coniferous forest because they bear cones. In this forest, we can find fir, chestnuts, pine, deodar, etc. These are the varieties of the tree that we can find here. They are found in the Himalaya region and in some part of Nilgiri Hills. Here, the trees are tall and have pointed needle-shaped leaves so that snow doesn't gather on the trees. These trees bear cones and wood of these trees is used to make paper. The next forest is tidal forest, whom we call mangrove forest. Here, sukri trees are found. And we can find these forests in the deltas of rivers and areas which are submerged in sea water. That means we can find in Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Here trees have special roots that grow above the ground. These forests can survive both in fresh and salty water. So I told you कि we can call evergreen forest, tropical forest, and ये कहाँ मिलते हैं? ये hot and wet regions में मिलते हैं. That means on the slopes of Western Ghats, hills of northeastern part of our country, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Here trees कैसे होते हैं? Tall होते हैं. और what they have a canopy. Canopy means canopy is like a roof, and that provide shelter from sun and rain. And we can find here mahogany, rosewood, and ebony. The next forest I told you that is deciduous forest, जिसे हम मानसून फॉरेस्ट कहते हैं. और ये कहाँ मिलते हैं? They found in Himalayas, Sahyadris, and northeastern part of Indian Peninsula. That means southern plateau. And these forests क्या करते हैं? अब हमारी कंट्री के मैक्सिमम पार्ट को कवर करते हैं. And leaves once in a year shed their leaves. But in evergreen forest they remains green throughout the years. That means they do not shed their leaves. The third forest is thorn forest. Where we can find these forests? We can find these forests in the areas that receives very little rainfall. We can find these forests in Rajasthan, Haryana, and Gujarat. Here इनकी जो ट्रीज की क्या क्वालिटी है, इनकी रूट्स क्या होती हैं? लॉन्ग होती हैं, दैट गो डीप इनसाइड द सॉइल. और इनकी थिक बार्क्स होती है और शार्प थॉर्न्स होती हैं और स्मॉल लीव्स होती हैं जो कि क्या करती हैं? प्रिवेंट करती हैं लॉस ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द सॉइल, फ्रॉम द सरफेस. दैट प्रिवेंट्स द लॉस ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द surface. And these plants can survive without water for long time. And we can found what types of what are the varieties of plants that we can found here? We can found babool, kikar, palms. And next forest that we studied क्या था? Tidal forest, जिसे कि हम मैनग्रोव फॉरेस्ट भी कहते हैं. और ये कहाँ पर पाए जाते हैं? ये डेल्टाज ऑफ रिवर्स एंड एरियाज जो कि पानी से सबमर्ज्ड होती हैं. और ये जो फॉरेस्ट है ये फ्रेश और साल्टी वाटर दोनों में सरवाइव कर सकते हैं. एंड द ट्री दैट इज फाउंड हियर इज सुंदरी ट्री एंड इट्स वुड इज यूज टू मेक बोट्स. सुंदरी ट्री की जो वुड है वो बोट बनाने के काम आती है. एंड सुंदरबन इज नेम्ड, मतलब सुंदरबन इज नेम्ड आफ्टर द सुंदरी ट्री. और सुंदरी ट्री के नाम पर सुंदरबन का नाम रखा गया है. जो नेक्स्ट फॉरेस्ट है वो है माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट. जैसा कि नाम है पता लगता है ये कहाँ पर पाए जाएंगे? हिमालयन रीजन में एंड इन सम पार्ट ऑफ नीलगिरी हिल्स. एंड दीज फॉरेस्ट हैव कॉनिफेरस वैरायटीज, यानी कि इनमें क्या होते हैं? दे बियर कॉन्स. और यहाँ पर कौन से वैरायटीज ऑफ ट्रीज वी कैन फाउंड? वी कैन फाउंड चीर, दीदार, फाइन, चेस्टनट एक्सेट्रा. और इनकी ट्रीज जो है निडिल शेप्ड होती है जिससे स्नो उनके ऊपर गैदर नहीं होती. तो today we studied about the types of forest. In the next class we studied shade trees and about wild animals.